What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today we are going to indulge in some vegan junk food. So we are going to Green New American Vegetarian. It's a vegan restaurant here in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's super delicious. They got a bunch of food: vegan Big Macs, vegan burgers, chicken sandwiches. They got vegan ice cream, and basically all the traditional junk foods that you can get, but they're all vegan. So I'm super excited. They also have wines, kombucha, and beer that's local to the area and whatnot, so that's pretty cool as well. But I don't recommend this way of eating all the time, but it's been a while since I've been here, so I'm definitely going to indulge today. But as always, you want to make sure at least 75% of your calories are coming from whole plant-based foods, so just keep that in mind whenever you're going to be eating or dabbling into more junk foods. And if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get in the video. What's going on, guys? So we just got to Green New American Vegetarian. I just ordered a Big Mac, which is like their version of the Big Mac with some fries. So as soon as that food comes out, I'm gonna show you guys that. I can't wait. It's been a while since I ate here. I did a video here probably almost like a year ago showcasing the food, so I can't wait to show you guys that again. Alright guys, about to take a big boy bite of the Big Mac. Alright, so I didn't get to do a proper outro at Green New American Vegetarian, but I just wanted to say that the vegan Big Mac is really delicious. My friend got the vegan buffalo wings and he enjoyed them, as well as that Thai peanut bowl. If you guys are ever in the Tempe or the Phoenix area, there's 2 locations, Green New American Vegetarian. They also have a sister restaurant called Nami, where they serve a bunch of vegan sweets and vegan ice cream and stuff like that, donuts, all the vegan sweets that you can think of, and it's really delicious. So I definitely recommend it if you guys are in town. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of this type of video. Do you guys like these kind of vlogs? I would love to hear your feedback, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.